All right, if you use Microsoft's email service or work in an environment that uses it, you should be very familiar with the tool I'm going to introduce in this video. Otherwise, you may have a hard time resolving issues such as the Exchange server database failing to mount, emails being inaccessible, users being unable to access their inboxes, and so on. Yeah, because in an enterprise environment, every minute of downtime has a cost, and the last thing you want to do is attempt a complex manual recovery that risks making the situation worse. That's why Stellar Repair for Exchange comes in. Stellar Repair for Exchange is a recovery tool specifically designed for this type of situation. This powerful tool allows you to recover Exchange database files without any risk of data loss. Recover data from ransomware-affected Exchange server. Export the recovered mailboxes to Office 365. Export Exchange mailboxes directly to a production Exchange server, and much more. Go ahead and download it, then install it by following the standard default installation procedure. After downloading and installing Stellar Repair for Exchange, the link is in the video description, launch the application. The interface is immediately clean and purposeful. There's no unnecessary complexity. Wimperment when you're working under pressure in a recovery scenario. The workflow is linear and clearly guided, which reduces the chance of errors during a high-stakes recovery operation. The main screen presents a clear starting point. Select your EDB file. Click Browse and navigate to the location of your Exchange database file. Select the EDB file and click Open. With the EDB file loaded, click Next. You'll see two scan options. Quick Scan analyzes the database structure rapidly and works effectively for most typical corruption cases. Dirty shutdown states, minor corruption, and most mounting errors are resolved through Quick Scan. This is the right starting point for most scenarios. Deep Scan, also called Extensive Scan, performs a thorough block-level analysis of the entire database file. Designed for severe corruption, partially unreadable databases, or cases where Quick Scan doesn't recover expected data. Takes longer, but attempts recovery from more deeply damaged file structures. My recommendation, start with Quick Scan. If the results are incomplete or you know the corruption is severe, run Deep Scan afterward. Select your preferred scan mode and click OK to begin. It processes up to 8 mailboxes simultaneously with parallel processing technique. Once the scan completes, the left panel populates with all recovered mailboxes from the EDB file. This is where Stellar Repair for Exchange provides immediate value. Before you export or save anything, you can fully preview what was recovered. In the inbox, you can instantly view email previews along with all key message details. The Contacts section provides a comprehensive contact list for a quick overview of your connections, while the Calendar displays your appointments and events with all relevant details at a glance. Once everything looks good to you, it's time to export the recovered data. You can right-click the selected mailbox and export it in your preferred format, or select one or more mailboxes and click Save Mailbox to begin the export process. Stellar Repair for Exchange provides several export options based on your recovery needs. To export directly to a live Exchange server, you'll need to authenticate with your Exchange server credentials. For direct export to Microsoft 365, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft 365 account. The software also supports a variety of other export formats. In this example, I'll export the recovered mailbox to PST format so I can open and verify it directly in Outlook. Choose your destination folder and optionally configure automatic PST file splitting for large mailboxes, useful for mailboxes that would exceed Outlook's PST file size limits. You can apply filters, for example, to exclude spam and deleted items. One very important feature is the possibility to set priorities for mailbox recovery. When recovering multiple mailboxes, you can assign priority levels to specific users or departments. Click Next, and the export begins. The resulting PST file can be imported directly into Microsoft Outlook. Now it's time to test the file. Open Outlook and click on File. Go to Open and Export. Now click on Open Outlook Data File. Browse to the folder, select the PST file, and then open it. All of the user's emails will be available once again. You can check them to make sure everything is working properly. Another very important feature for those with large databases is the Save and Resume Scan option. If you click Save Scan, Stellar Repair will save the scan status to a file, so you can resume it later. For Exchange administrators dealing with database corruption, dirty shutdown errors, or mailbox restoration from backup EDB files, this is a purpose-built tool that addresses the specific challenges of Exchange recovery directly. The download link is in the video description. Thanks for watching.